Hi guys, like Godrej Magic Powder to Liquid, Dettol also launched a powder to liquid hand wash formula. This product is launched at an affordable price of Rs 10, which is equal to 185 ml of Dettol liquid. It is so easy to make just by mixing it in water. So we need 185 ml of normal water. Now pour the powder, shake well. It takes only a minute. Consistency of this hand wash is medium and it creates sufficient foam on hands and it's gentle on skin. You won't feel dry out. And the fragrance is standard Dettol pine fragrance, but it is mild. And color of the hand wash is just like Dettol soap, orange color. This pack of Rs 10 is gonna last for 30 days. Overall, I would highly recommend this powder to liquid hand wash to you all as it is reliable, affordable and effective hand wash. I guess this is Dettol's most affordable solution. It's an amazing option to refill your hand wash. Dettol is a trusted brand. Give it a try and subscribe for more videos.